Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we want to talk about one of our favorite floor plans, the dual suite. A dual suite just simply means that there are two separate bedrooms and there are typically two bathrooms on these models as well. This is more versatile and it can be a complete game changer. The RV industry seems to be listening to customers' needs more these days, as we've been seeing so many new types of floor plans to fit different uses. One of the models we came across was the Open Range 390 BHS. This model has a lot of great features that come standard, and it's really nicely put together for its price point. We like that the top of the dresser slides out and pairs with an insert to become a convenient desk area. We thought this front bathroom made great use of the space and felt really open. Open Range is owned by Jayco, and you can definitely see their signature styling coming through on their model here. They have 3-inch thick walls for extra insulation in these models. We took some footage at the Tampa RV Super Show earlier this year, so the prices you see here are not current. The hideaway pantry area behind the TV is a great bonus storage feature. Due to the drop frame in the back, you step down into the back bedroom, which gives you plenty of ceiling height. The second bathroom is accessible from the living room, the back bedroom, or from the campsite, so you have two doors on the campsite of your RV with this model. We also came across the Montana 381TB. The Montana has a drop frame, so you have great ceiling height in the back bedroom, and this dual suite model has a private second bathroom with a back entry door, so it's more separate and gives more privacy to anybody you're traveling with, which is a great perk. Like any floor plan, there are little things that make each model a bit different, such as how deep or tall the loft area is, window size and placement, how tall the back bathroom and shower are, is there a pantry or more cabinets, and even how many slides they have. Another model we saw was the Sierra 4002 FB, which came in at a great price point. After shopping for 2 different RVs in the last 5 years, going to multiple RV shows all around the country in our full-time travels, We've gotten to know a lot of brands and we've seen a lot of floor plans firsthand. Another model that we don't have footage of from the show is the Avalanche 390DS. That is the first model with dual suites that we came across personally, and we really liked that floor plan because of the separate sleeping areas for our kids, and the loft was so tall and had so many windows and was really nice, but we weren't sold on the RV as a whole. When we were at the 2022 Grand Design National Rally, Grand Design brought out their Solitude 391DL, and we loved almost everything about that rig, except for the fact that it does not have the rear drop frame. So unfortunately, that makes the loft much shorter and pretty much unusable for older, taller children. Another notable mention for this dual suite category is the DRV Orlando. This model may not be what most people would consider a dual suite, but it does offer 2 large private bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you watch the footage, you'll see each room has a ton of storage, and I also really like that each room has a flat counter surface so you can set something down, which is a little thing that I really enjoyed. The front room could easily be used for crafting or any hobby, and it would make an excellent office or a man cave. There's so many possibilities. We feel that this is one of the best layouts for families. The front bedroom on the Orlando has opposing slides, so it really opens up the space. Each slide has a full-length bed, and the room is then divided by this large central desk, which can easily be used by 2 people at the same time. The whole setup of this front room is what makes this model our personal favorite. We love it, the kids love it, and it's our current dream rig. We especially like the lighter interior colors that they offer, and we saw this in person at another show and we really fell in love with it.